Good morning, respected CEO and colleagues. My name is Yada Nikma, and today I would like to introduce a business proposal about opening Indonesian restaurant branches overseas in order to introduce Indonesian cuisine to the global market. Next slide, please. Why we choose this business? First of all, global interest in Asian food is increasing rapidly, especially among young people and international tourists. Many customers are interested in trying new and authentic culinary experiences. However, Indonesian cuisine is still underrepresented in the global market compared to Korean, Japanese, or Thai food. This means our company has a good opportunity to introduce Indonesian food internationally. In addition, Indonesian cuisine offers rich spices, unique flavors, and strong cultural identity. Therefore, I believe this business can attract international customers and help expand our global market. Next slide, please. Next, let me explain our business concept. The main goal of this project is not only to increase company profit, but also to introduce Indonesian cuisine to a wider global audience. Through this restaurant concept, international customers will be able to experience authentic Indonesian flavors in a modern and comfortable environment. Furthermore, this concept gives our company competitive advantage because Indonesian food is still not widely available in many international markets. By combining cultural identity with modern restaurant trends, we believe this business can attract more international customers and strengthen our global presence. Next, please. Okay, I would like to explain our marketing strategy. To increase global awareness, we will focus on social media promotion through platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. This strategy can help us reach younger audience more effectively. In addition, our company plans to collaborate with food influencers and content creators to introduce Indonesian cuisine to international customers. We will also participate in food festivals and cultural events to strengthen our brand visibility in the global market. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay, if it's not, I will next to the conclusion. In conclusion, opening Indonesian restaurant branches overseas is a promising business opportunity for our company. This project can help expand our international market, increase company revenue, and introduce Indonesian cuisine to global customers. Therefore, I strongly believe that this business expansion can bring long-term benefit and strengthen our company's position in the international culinary industry. Thank you for your attention. I hope this proposal can be considered for our future business development.
Udah, wis, kinyo sih apa? Bodoh amat. Habis.